Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by being clear. Decide why you need a mesh and where coverage is poor. Once done, verify each device supports mesh mode and has current firmware. This prevents conflicts. Next, power up the main router and position one node near it for initial sync. Make sure to use an Ethernet cable for a wired backhaul if available, because wired links improve speed and stability. Now proceed to the app or web setup. Don't skip initial login credentials and admin password changes. You follow the vendor app prompts, add each node, apply firmware updates, and let the system map your home. Once a node is online, check signal strength and move it gradually to find the sweet spot. Small shifts can increase throughput drastically. Make sure to enable band steering and set a single SSID for seamless roaming. Opt for automatic channel selection first, then manual tune if you see interference. Also, set co-S rules for critical devices to prioritize latency-sensitive traffic. You finish by validating coverage. Run speed tests in problem rooms and compare them to wired baselines. This shows real gains. Once satisfied, lock down settings, schedule automatic firmware checks, and document admin credentials. If performance lags, move nodes higher or away from metal and microwaves. Make sure there's a clear 1 to 3 meter radius for signal. If issues persist, reboot nodes first, then factory reset only if necessary, and reference LED patterns to pinpoint hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.